My Transformative Month, a weight loss journey for beginners. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we journey together toward healthier, happier lives. Over the past month, I've embarked on a personal challenge to reshape my lifestyle and focus on weight loss, aiming to inspire those beginning their own journeys. What I've discovered along the way is nothing short of transformative, shocking in its revelations, surprising in its ease, and completely worth every effort. Stick around, because I'm excited to share every step, what worked, what didn't, and the tips that can kickstart your own adventure towards fitness and well-being. Why did I embark on this journey, you ask? A month ago, I had a moment of clarity, a realization that I was far from my best self. My energy levels were low, my sleep was restless, and my habits, well, they just weren't making me happy. It was time for a change, not just for the scale, but for my overall health and happiness. This wasn't just about numbers. It was about feeling good in my own skin and reclaiming the vitality I knew I deserved. To succeed, I set realistic goals. Shed 8 pounds within the month. 2. Establish a sustainable routine. Elevate my energy and nurture my self-confidence. Are you ready to see how I tackled this challenge week by week? In week 1, launching into this journey meant making foundational changes. I committed to swapping sugary snacks for wholesome alternatives like fresh fruits and nuts, embracing portion control, sticking to balanced meals without resorting to extreme diets, introducing 20 minutes of light exercise daily, such as walking or yoga. By the end of week 1, I'd lost 2 pounds, but the real victory was newfound energy and motivation. I was excited to continue and see how these changes could transform my life. Week 2 presented challenges. I hit a plateau and doubted my progress. It was tempting to throw in the towel, but I reminded myself that progress isn't linear. Success lies in perseverance. Here's how I overcame this hurdle. Diversified my workouts to keep my body guessing and muscles working. Increased my water intake to stay hydrated and minimize cravings. Managed and tracked my meals to uncover hidden calories. Revitalized by these adjustments, I ended the week back on track and reinvigorated to persevere. By week 3, a rhythm emerged. My routine became more focused, including 30 minutes of cardio 4 times a week for heart health and calorie burn. Strength training twice a week to tone and build muscle. Meal prepping on Sundays, saving time and ensuring I stayed consistent. This was the breakthrough week. With another 3 pounds gone, I felt physically stronger and more empowered than ever. In the final week, I turned my attention beyond numbers on a scale. It was time to celebrate every facet of my progress. My clothes fit more comfortably, my energy soared, and I took pride in my perseverance and dedication. At the month's end, I was 7 pounds lighter, but the real triumph was my improved health and newfound confidence, feeling more alive than I had in years. Here are my top 5 takeaways. 1. Consistency trumps perfection. Small, daily steps accumulate into significant progress. 2. Meal prepping is transformational, keeping you organized, on track, and saving time. 3. Never skip strength training. It sculpts your body and revs up your metabolism. 4. Listen to your body. Rest days are as crucial as exercise days. 5. Measure progress with how you feel and look, not just with the scale. If you're embarking on your own journey, remember to be kind to yourself and celebrate every achievement, no matter its size. That's a wrap on my 1-month weight loss journey. If this video inspired or helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. What's one goal you're working on this month? I'd love to support and cheer you on. Let's continue to inspire each other to become our best selves. Until next time.